All right, so today we're going to be going through how to create slideshows using Microsoft PowerPoint. And so, what we're going to cover today is what PowerPoint is, why we use it, how to create a PowerPoint presentation, how to make it accessible for people, and then a few tips and helpful links to help get you started. So first off, what is PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a productivity software that enables you to easily create presentations for school, work, and whatever else you need slideshows for. It features user-friendly design tools to help you craft the proper presentation. Why do you use it? Well, first off, PowerPoint provides a variety of design templates, themes, and formatting tools that can help users create polished and professional-looking presentations quickly and easily. PowerPoint is also great for enhancing communication. PowerPoint allows users to include a variety of multimedia elements, such as images, videos, and audio files, to enhance the presentation and make it more engaging and memorable. PowerPoint also provides a structured format for presentations, which can help users to organize and present their ideas in a logical and coherent manner. PowerPoint is also a great tool for collaboration, as it allows multiple users to collaborate on a single presentation, making it easier to work on a project as a team. It's also very accessible. PowerPoint allows users to create presentations that are accessible to people with disabilities, such as those who are visually impaired, by providing features like alt text and slide descriptions, which we'll get into a little more later. So let's go through the process of how to create a presentation. First, to get into PowerPoint, you're going to open Microsoft PowerPoint by clicking on the Start menu or the search bar and typing PowerPoint in. Then you'll click on the PowerPoint icon that appears in the launch application, as you can see here. Next up, once the app opens, you choose a design theme. You'll see a screen that allows you to choose a design theme for your presentation, such as something like this. You can select from a pre-designed theme from a list of available templates, or you can create your own custom theme. Next up, we're going to add slides. To add a new slide to your presentation, click on the New Slide button in the Home tab. You can choose from a variety of slide layouts, such as title slides, bullet point slides, image slides, and more. You can also duplicate, delete, and rearrange slides using the Slide tab. So if you see here, there's a little button that says New Slide. Next, you want to add text. To add text to your slide, click on the text box and start typing. You can change the font, size, color, and style of your text using the options in font and the paragraph sections of the Home tab. Using this feature, you can also add bullet points, numbered lists, and other formatting options to your text. Next, you might want to add multimedia elements. To add multimedia elements to your presentation, you'll click on the Insert tab, and using this, you can insert images, videos, audio files, charts, tables, and more. You can also add hyperlinks to other slides, websites, or documents. Next, you might want to add animations or transitions. To add animations and transitions to your presentation, click on the Animation tab, and you can see, when it loops back, you can see that there's a variety of different animations and transition options you can use to make your presentation more dynamic and engaging. So now to save your presentation, you're going to click on the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar, or you can go to the File tab and select Save As. Choose a file name and a location to save your presentation. So if you see here, it says Save As, and you can pick your location for where you want to save it. And then when you want to present your slideshow, you press the slideshow tab and select Go from the beginning. You can then use your arrow keys to navigate through the slides. Now let's talk about how to make your PowerPoint more accessible. Use an accessible presentation template. By selecting File, New in the Search for Outline Templates and Themes text fields, type Accessible Templates and press Enter. You can also use captions, subtitles, and alternative audio tracks in videos. To turn on alt text, select Format, alt text, and then type in the description of the photo. You can also test accessibility with a screen reader. The screen reader narrator comes with Windows, so there's no need to install anything. Simply go into your settings and select the narrator option under Ease of Access. For MacBooks and other desktops, they have the feature called VoiceOver. To turn VoiceOver on, you're going to choose the Apple menu of System Settings, then click Accessibility in the sidebar. You might need to scroll down a little bit, and you can click VoiceOver on the right and then turn it on or off if it feel like it will help you. Next, the accessibility checker is a tool that reviews your content and flags accessibility issues as it comes across. It explains why each issue might be a potential problem for someone with a disability. The accessibility checker also suggests how you can resolve the issues that appear. To open the accessibility checker, select Review and then check accessibility right here. So let's go through a few tips and helpful links to summarize everything. First, for tips, remember to keep it simple. PowerPoint is a background visual aid for your talk. It's not the actual presentation. So you can do this by reducing the text, using less text words, and instead focusing on high quality images or other multimedia instead. Try to keep your presentations down to one main idea per slide and include a clear headline. It's also very helpful to plan your content and use an outline if you need to make sure your ideas come across clearly and easily to viewers. I would also highly recommend rehearsing your presentation. I tried before this to rehearse this a few times. Hopefully it sounds concise enough as I'm going through it, but it does tend to be very helpful when you're not looking at your slides cold. And then for a few helpful links here, you can use this site of 20 web-safe HTML and CSS fonts to add some flair to your slideshow through these safe fonts. I'll put the link in the chat later. And then you can create a consistent design using things to rotate your PowerPoint slides, like maybe you want it vertically versus the normal horizontal format. And then also, if you want to be more selective with your transitions, there's a guide here to make a timeline on how to make a PowerPoint with a few steps. Always, if you're doing something with data, it might be helpful to have a chart or graph. And then here are just 11 types of timelines and graphs you might want to use. All of these will be given to you at the end. Some other things, you definitely want to include animations. It makes it flow a lot better. And this is a link on how to lock a PowerPoint presentation. For embedding, you also want to embed your fonts. Here's a link for helping create a storyboard and how to go about it. And then just remember, you want to make your presentation accessible to all viewers. So that could be through the alt text feature or the description guides and other features. Then you can also, here's a guide if you want to make your PowerPoint a little more compressed. And then at the end, remember to record your screen so that everyone can see it and you can reuse it, like with this presentation, so you guys can view it again if you want. So thanks for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with the Cyber Seniors Mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.com or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. Thanks.